Yo, so today I'm recording. Basically, we're going to be making Star FC's brand new football stadium so far. This is how it looks. Like down here, this is like going to be like a short one. Usually, I'm about to have it that big, and then this side's going to be the absolute biggest. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you like the tour right now so far. So yeah, then here we have our stands, and then down here we have like an opening. It would be like this stadium's going to be fully decked out, and then yeah, we have a bunch of fans. I will work out this area, and then yeah, there's just going to be a bunch of fans. It's like going to be basically in the middle of a city. So yeah, and then you can obviously come through here. Yeah, the actual pitch is actually quite big. This is where we will be playing our home matches when it is done. This is episode 1 of doing it so far. You have the home, obviously it's also small. You will lift them up in a bit, but then home we have everyone that I could think of: Pepper, Nathan, Max, Manny, Woody, and then obviously me and Monkey will be up here presenting what we'll be doing. So I'm pretty sure we'll be working on away so far. Away stands and basically everything in here, getting the walls all the way up. And we can actually come back to this a bit later, but anything that you think is good in the stadium so far will be just comment that, and then we can do that. Because it press down here, you'll walk down here, elevator, you go up and press, and then you just drop down here for yeah. Yeah, so it's actually looking good so far. Then yeah, this is good. This is actually really nice. So yeah, let's actually start by getting the away room done. Why is it doing this? You keep it like that. Oh my god. That's annoying. Yeah, we're gonna time lapse this until I'm done with this book stuff. Oh, I've done it wrong. God damn. You never stop. No, stop. That's it. My purposely makes that really bad. Oh no. I'm purposely making it terrible. With this. Yeah, fun. Oh god. You know what? I think I'm just gonna use these instead of these massive walls. I've made a big mistake. I'll change it after. But at least we got home and away done. Okay, all I wanted to do in this area was get home and away done, and then we'll upgrade the walls like maybe at the end, because I want to work like more on the this bit, like the stands. Okay, so what do we have to do now then? at that. Gotta keep rated. There we go. So right now, none of the players can escape, like in the middle of the match. Let's get this side done first. Where is it? Where is it? Alright, let's test this out right now. Alright, here we are. Yeah, let's test this out. Alright, yes, this looks good. Away. So bad. Let's go speak to the press. What the hell? Alright, let's go. Yeah, so as you can see by the goal I just scored down there, we are the best club in the world. Who are you? Yeah. Oh, this is gonna look so good when it's finished. Alright. Let me see. Let me test if I can't get my ball through there. Okay, no, so it has worked. Wait, will it stop me though? Stopping the balls. Will it stop me? No, it won't. Oh, I don't know why. Here's a little street. This guy here is called Dave. Yeah, he's gonna be a Star City icon, Dave. Yes, so comment. Yes, so that's all for today. Comment what you think we should add and comment W Dave. From now on, if you're a true Star City fan, every comment you make, even if it's on a short, from now on, you have to go, I don't know, like, Star City are the best team, W Dave. At the very end, you always have to say W Dave. In everything you say now, W Dave. Like, yeah. So, W Dave, and goodbye.